I just love the beauty of it and the durability of it.
Yeah, it was definitely love at first sight.
It looks, I think, as good today as it did the day they put it in.
From thousands of years ago, when man first started building things, the use of natural stone has been a constant. Cultures from ancient to contemporary have used natural stone to build structures to worship their gods, celebrate their beliefs, memorialize their dead, entertain their people, and house their institutions of government. Today, thanks to new technology, the use of natural stone has expanded broadly beyond its traditional use for exteriors and interiors of major buildings. Today, natural stone is becoming a staple in homes of every size. Consumers have discovered the beauty, luxury, and sustainability of this unique, all-natural material for countertops, floors, and other applications. They like it because it's the real thing, which cannot be duplicated in a factory or laboratory. It's nature's own. It comes in literally thousands of different colors, and no two pieces are exactly the same. Nothing approaches the uniqueness, durability, and serviceability of natural stone countertops in kitchens, bathrooms, and other locations in the home.
It's so pretty, and it lasts forever, and real easy to take care of.
It's kind of like fine jewelry. It sparkles, and it just looks nice all the time.
There has always been a special allure to natural stone. But what makes it particularly appealing now is a drastic reduction in prices over the last 2 decades, the result of quantum advances in quarrying and fabricating technologies. The journey from the quarry to your kitchen can begin right here in North America or in quarries around the world. There's an enormous supply of natural stone, and more is being discovered every day. This combination of supply and technological advancements makes natural stone very competitive with man-made materials. From quarries, giant blocks of natural stone are carved out of the earth with diamond cutting systems, which have drastically reduced the effort previously required to achieve this task. The newest technology is the diamond segment multi-wire saw, which can slice a block of granite into slabs at the rate of 12 to 15 inches per hour, or a complete block in about 6 hours. This compares to the 3/4 inch per hour cuts made by older gang saw technology, in which a block is slabbed in 40 to 50 hours. The slabs are then polished on high-speed lines that feature multiple heads. Some of the stone may be cut into tiles or other cut-to-size pieces. Once completed, the stone is then shipped to distributors and fabricators like those in your city. Many stone contractors, as well as design professionals, travel the world to hand-select material in block or slab form, the same way you select the stone for your home. Because every block or slab is unique, it can be a very daunting task. Once you've selected the material that's perfect for your home, the stone contractor will do the rest, of course with your input. The first job is to get accurate measurements in your home by creating a template so your countertop will fit perfectly. This process takes into account everything from sink location to imperfections in the walls. Some templates are created by documenting measurements manually or by using thin wooden or plastic strips that are glued together to produce a perfect replica of the area to be covered by the stone. In the fabrication facility, the measurements are either entered into a computer or the templates are placed on the selected piece of natural stone and adjusted to get desired results prior to cutting. With advancements in technology, many stone contractors are now producing templates digitally to increase efficiency and accuracy. The digital template is created by electronically mapping strategic points on the countertop surface. This precise information is then downloaded into a laptop or tablet to create an electronic template. Using a computer back at the fabrication facility, the digital information is mated with an actual photograph of the selected stone slabs for the job. Whether a manual or electronic template system is used, the end result is an ideal match of the material and the measurements for the countertop in your home. The stone is then cut with an automated sawing system, which assures that cutouts for stovetops, sinks, faucets, and other kitchen appliances are correct. The pieces of natural stone are then edged. either with automated equipment or by hand. There are several common edge profiles available. Consult with your stone contractor to choose the right edge for your project. Decorative edges are put only on the visible edge, not a joint edge. Most edging is done with powerful diamond routers using specific bits to profile the desired edges. The final step is finishing the edge. When all of the pieces are cut, edged, and finished to specification, the natural stone makes its final trip to your home. There, skilled craftsmen install the countertops and other components, making sure that all other elements of your kitchen or bathroom are fitted perfectly. In the field, installers glue pieces of natural stone together using polyester resin in the joints. When they're finished, the resin has a polished look, similar to the polish of natural stone. Sealing is a common step taken on some stones as an extra precaution against staining. In fact, the sealing products used in the stone industry are impregnators, which don't actually seal the stone, but act as a repellent. Sealing doesn't make the stone stain-proof. Rather, it makes the stone more stain-resistant. When consulting with your stone contractor, you may find that many stones don't require sealing. However, applying an impregnating sealer is a common practice. From the quarry, to slabbing, templating, cutting, edging, finishing, and finally to installation. People in the stone industry are striving for two things: enhancing the beauty of natural stone through craftsmanship, and achieving your ultimate satisfaction.
The look is beautiful and it's just so durable.
I just think it's low maintenance, and to me that's a big factor.
You don't see any scrapes, no scratches. It looks great.
I love it.
I think one of the biggest advantages of using stone in a sustainable project is that it essentially lasts forever.
It goes a lot deeper than just finding materials within a few hundred miles of your job site. To actually select the material that has the durability, strength, and endurance for the building life cycle is really the bottom line.
Natural stone is 100% natural. There are no synthetic aspects to it. It's made by Mother Nature, and therefore I think one of the most green materials available.
All we have to do is look at historical structures, from the Great Pyramids to the Roman Colosseum, all constructed with natural stone and have endured for thousands of years.
Whether you're an architect, designer, contractor, or a consumer, the more you know about natural stone in this new era of green building, the more you realize that it's the natural choice when it comes to sustainable building materials, as well it should be. Natural stone is the original building material, utilized ever since man started constructing things. In reality, because of its inherent durability, flexibility, longevity, combined with its incredible beauty, natural stone is also in a class by itself when it comes to sustainability. That's why the Marble Institute of America has produced this short video to give you an insight into the sustainable attributes of natural stone, clear up any misconceptions about stone and sustainability, and offer other avenues for learning even more about how to incorporate stone in commercial, institutional, and residential projects. In the quest for more sustainable building design and execution, the proponents of green building have identified 4 major areas: the reduction of energy use, CO2 emissions, water use and solid waste. Careful integration of natural stone in interior and exterior design can be a major factor in reducing all of these byproducts. In addition, stone itself is an attractive, functional, cost-effective material. In the past, natural stone was often considered too expensive for all but the most elegant buildings. But over the last quarter century, improvements in quarrying, processing, and installation technology have drastically reduced cost and allowed previously untapped quarries around the world to significantly heighten production and reduce costs. The new technology has also helped to reduce the environmental impact of quarrying and hasten sensitive reclamation of these quarries. Architect Ed Farr of Minneapolis says harvesting local materials only goes so far in the sustainability equation.
You have to look beyond especially in stone's case. You have to look beyond just that 100-mile radius and find something that will outperform many other building material choices, and I think stone does an excellent job of that.
Since natural stones like granite, marble, limestone, travertine, and others are virtually indestructible, stone can be recycled into many different forms.
It can be cut into different sizes and shapes and finishes, all in the same project to meet multiple needs.
Natural stone also works well with most other major building materials.
Natural stone competes with brick and concrete, steel and glass, and I think with the most successful projects, oftentimes you use a combination of all these materials to achieve the design goals as well as the sustainable goals of the project.
Versatile natural stone has many other sustainability assets. It requires little or no maintenance, performs consistently through wide temperature changes, is salvageable and recyclable, and is readily available.
Producing stone actually can take less energy than producing other type materials.
Stone contributes to indoor air quality as it does not off-gas.
It's essentially a permanent material.
The demand for sustainable design and building practices is growing rapidly for a number of reasons, including an unprecedented level of government initiatives, heightened residential demand for green construction, improvements in sustainable materials, increased demand for green standard certifications, and the importance of social responsibility. The Willow School in Gladstone, New Jersey is an excellent example of sustainability at work. Use of natural stone was decided upon early in the process, and local and/or recycled stone was utilized to achieve sustainability goals and lowered life cycle costs. The stone used in the classrooms came from the remains of 2 barns and a house from eastern Pennsylvania dating to the 19th century. Other recycled stone work also was included. Another example is Jefferson Hall, the library at West Point Academy at West Point, New York. Among the project goals were to provide ample daylight and break down the fortress-like physicality and mindset of historic buildings. Among the sustainable features were water conservation, construction waste recycling, energy modeling, and indoor environmental quality. The project included 1,586 tons of granite variegated with pink veining. Sandstone in a terracotta buff was also utilized. Sustainability. It's here to stay. If you would like more information on sustainability and natural stone, a good place to start is www.marble-institute.com/sustainability.